chitabitu achagire korora nona samatanga chiachagire koleta ubwoba as chi family chiri chikwereire butamba samatangare teyo tuwende okora siasa otuguja koremia bali bakwereire lakini bono ekero abanya siasa ose bali bakurigia ba go disrupt amatanga y'abanyene like what we have seen now. I think is unfair. Nonye mbali bakora I think abantu ma reasonable akanguma idimba ego mbaegwa chingaki bakwane lakini barere wose mbakwane bunda ba itakiri gukwano because there's no bono matanga yo itasariki amatanga yo mungu noyo ewili arwete they were executed. That's the truth of the matter. So, but I hope nga abaraiba in future they get to restrain gukwana siasa wosokoro ki interest yeto as amatanga. Now I squarely onguplemwegenteke to damn people. Yani serikali ya UDA. Serikali ya UDA igiri tubinisi ne yabo. We can understanding serikali ya UDA etwe chinguru 2022 bakora administration yensi ya Kenya on behalf of Kenyans 52 million egerobono omungwano wengo omuchumbe onyaribari masaba amnyaribari chache ako goons kurutamagena to other people babwate their own agenda. The agenda was not about UDA. The agenda was about Linda Wananchi. Inkibakoro kiri ubwoba. I think already babuirwe. Egaro muntu okole bintu bakoreta yakoro kyubwoba buna emeritus chief justice ateba egendeke go kibwenete kwangwa and serikali bwente go condemn it onye talibo into wananchi we will take it up etubakiri egora ntu wanja abantu very goons, very hired, very paid. I can tell you for sure usiengi mais one time yani I can tell you nga abangwana balia barako kora because babe paid. They are doing their work because of the contract. So nande otwara kuboranga I think also our young people whichivese egarumu kora what is right ngimogorere for example egari ya emeritus chief justice yamagena ngigorudira amagena asabageni baachire go totevia ekibabwate tiamba tebega. You see, UDA administration, you are not going to succeed at all. And there is no amounts of threats moja koleta chigocha gotosa nduno otorega we are set to make sure tualetire a change as ense ya Kenya come 2027. We as united opposition egendo kende county